Yeah, there's no bed in here. So you cannot bed log in this, but you can still have fun shooting stuff up. And then here's the door to open for the seat. Okay, that was interesting. Now, I like how Mirai does this, because they have the blast shield open. And are you going to not even let me... Oh, man, I can't even get out the front of this. I got to go out the back. That's so lame. Wait. Oh, shoot. Oh, no! No! Oh, no. All right, hold on. Hold on. We will figure this out. Where's my body? My body is missing. Oh, God. How about this? Open up all entrances. Open.